This is just going to be a quick unboxing and review of the MAYBESTA wireless microphone. I've seen a lot of TikTokers use these, some YouTubers have used them. I got it off Amazon. I'll have details linked below. Sorry for the mixed lighting. I'm just in my van. We're about to go hiking. I got this in the mail the other day and just haven't really investigated it yet. It's pretty straightforward. When you open it up, it comes with 2 mics. It looks like there's 3 different clips. And is this like I think I have to plug this into my phone and then it will send the Bluetooth signal to the microphone. So they are wireless, which is nice. There is a 1-year and 18-month warranty. Okay. Seems pretty easy to use. Plug and play. Unlock your phone, connect the receiver to your phone, and hold down the power button for 3 seconds. Sorry, I'm still getting ready for the hike, so my hair is crazy. I think it's working. No, I have to press it one more time. Okay, I think I have to press it one more time. Where's the power button? Is on the back of this. Okay, the blinking means that the microphone is paused. So when it's solid green, it's on, it's recording. When it's blinking, it's paused. So my bad. But yeah, let's test it out. How do I sound? How do you like me now? I can't sing that, copyright. Okay. I don't know. Gunner, what do you think of Gunner? He doesn't care. But yeah, I don't know. Let's test it again. I mean, I haven't been using microphone the whole rest of this video previously. So yeah, I'm going to keep using it and see what I think. But so far, it's kind of nice, okay? Especially when I'm recording stuff outside, which is a lot because I live in a van and I spend most of my time outside, not in the van. All right, I have it clipped to my vest. So I really like the clip. That's very nice. Hello. I'm really excited about it. I think that this is really convenient and really easy. It's very plug and play. And just to be clear, this is for Apple. This is for iPhones. So I think they make them for Android. But yeah, the little port that has to go into your phone for Apple, at least for this model. And then obviously because it's in the charging port, you wouldn't be able to charge it while you're recording. Sorry, I'm not using a tripod. This is just, how dare I talk about like content creating equipment and like I'm just a mess right now. But that shows just how easy it is. Even if you're an unprofessional slob like me, I mean, it's just that easy. Um, but yeah, you know, she cute. I like it. I'm just saying, I think it's worth it. Yeah, especially if you're on the go and you don't want, I have had the really nice like streaming microphones like what was it? I used to have the Yeti, like the really nice one that everyone uses for ASMR, and they're nice, but like girl, I can't be carrying that whole thing around. This ain't a production studio. But yeah, I really like it. Let me know what you think if you have one. And if you want one, you know what to do. It's in the description. Andrew just got us some sandwiches. Sorry, I still haven't gotten ready. So let's do some ASMR. It's nice crunchy. Unfortunately, this isn't Publix, but it's at least Boar's Head. But you know, we moved out of Florida, and the only thing I'll miss about Florida is the springs and Publix subs.
You get some crunch in these things.
Let me get some crunch in the back.
Crunch.
It's not enough. All right, hold on. Unbelievable. All right. So one last thing before I go. It has a 65-foot recording range, which is amazing. I was trying to find out the battery life on this, because I'm sure it didn't come fully charged. What's the battery life, girl? Charging time, 2 hours. But that's how long it takes to charge, no? Okay, does it work with iPhone 15 and iPad Pro? This receiver does not work with those. Okay, just so you know, because it's like the USB-C port or whatever. Say, if any of you, just comment down below and let me know if you have this thing. Probably not the best to use for like an actual podcast or live stream where you're going to be using it for a long time, but just to make some videos. All right, bye. Love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Normally my reviews are much more professional.